Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to activate your live photos on your iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the camera. Let's open the camera. Okay, right there. And after that, just please take a look on this upper right side here. There is a button. It's one button that you can choose. This one is to activate the live photo, or there is also another way, which is like clicking this arrows, and then you will be generated into several features on your camera, and you will find the same code or the same symbol here. So just click it and click the on button, and now you already activate your live photos camera. And how to use it, you just need to capture the object. So okay, let's capture it. 1 2 3. Okay, and after that, let's check is it work. Let's go into the photos. Okay, and now how to check it, we just need to hold this 1 2 3. Okay, you can see that your photo is moving, and that's how the way you activate your live photo on your iPhone. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.